Welcome back. We're taking questions from across the country, and the next city we're going to visit and call out some great property options is Bangalore. Sunil Rai on the phone line with us. Sunil, hi. Go ahead.
Hello, Manisha. I'm looking for a 2 BHK in BTM layout or HSR layout or near Koramangala.
Okay.
And my budget is approximately 35 lakhs. So could you please tell me?
All right. I do know that maybe in Hyderabad there is a property available in 37 lakhs in an area which is close to Gachibowli. But I don't think near these areas in Bangalore this budget would work.
Yeah.
He would have to extend it quite a bit, right?
Or maybe look at another micro
I almost
market.
fell off my chair.
So Koramangala today trades at about 6,800 rupees a square foot on the weighted average price scale. HSR layout is 6,300 and BTM layout is 7,100. So absolutely impossible for us to be able to get you any units or projects in those micro markets. However, there is another micro market that fits your requirement and it's a few kilometers away from these micro markets. That's Begur. This is about 4 kilometers from HSR layout and 2 kilometers from BTM layout, and Koramangala is about 10 kilometers. So I think you'll have to look at this micro market where the inventory overhang is also very safe at 15 months. The weighted average price is far more affordable at 3,500 rupees a square foot for the mid segment, and the price appreciation has been about 9% on an annualized basis. Here you can consider the following 3 projects. In fact, they're cheaper than the weighted average price of the market as well, so there's scope of appreciation. Splendid Lake Dews by Splendid Group at 3,000. This is located on the Begur Road near Begur Lake. The project is approved fully. Amenities include a swimming pool, jogging track, gymnasium, chess area and a multipurpose hall. And this is a G+3 story building in 3 blocks, 116 units only. Shrivan Exotica by Shrivan Estates at 2,800, even cheaper. This has got proximity to the major IT companies like Wipro, HCL, Infosys. And the project is approved fully, and amenities are slightly less. It's got a gym only and a landscape gardens, that's all. Eternity Ecstasy, this is at 3,300 to 3,400 rupees, again 100 odd units. This is a project in 1 acre, G+3 stories. Project has got a swimming pool, an indoor games room. But again, because the project prices are really low, not too many amenities available.
All right, so we've given you 3 options. Begur is a market which will fit in your budget. It's not too far from your chosen locations and well connected too. So take a pick out of that menu list of homes and budget homes in Bangalore. Mukesh writes in and he says, I've been watching your property show, which is very well presented and quite informative on property matters. Mukesh, thanks very much. Will you be able to provide some advice to me? Which locations shall I consider? From an investment point of view in Chennai, key criteria for my selection would be distance from the international airport, upcoming metro station nearby, hospital for medical facilities and daily needs store, of course, petrol pump, ATM, medical, etc. So basically he wants something which has a good social and physical infrastructure, and those properties will anyway have or hold at least the best potential for appreciation, isn't it, Samir?
You're absolutely right on that one. So the micro market that we have recommended for you is Pallavaram. The micro market is about 3 kilometers away from the airport, where also the metro station is going to be coming. All the basic social infrastructure is there in place. The weighted average price of the market is about 5,000 rupees a square foot, and the inventory overhang is just on the danger zone of 24 months. Price appreciation is also in line with the other Chennai micro markets at about 7% on an annualized basis. The 3 projects that you can consider are Galleria Residences by Allianz Group. This is at 4990, located on the Radial Ring Road, 2.5 kilometers from the Chennai airport. USP again is that there are no common walls. All the great facilities and amenities are there, like international standard clubhouse, swimming pool, a meditation room. Total land area is 8.3 acres, which makes it a large project, although the density is not very good, I must say, because 1,200 units in 8 acres is a lot. Sky Park by Vishkarma at 5550, located on the Pallavaram Thuraipakkam Road, 200 square feet road. Airport is about 4 kilometers. The project will be ready in the last quarter of 2015. This project has a Zen garden besides a gym and a plunge pool, and this has got a reasonably low overall project size of 207 units, and it's a Singapore style condominium. That's the USP. Lastly, we have Blue Moon Harmony Homes at 4499. This project is near the ICICI Bank and Post Office. This is TID plus 4 stories, 237 odd units. Again, the project will have a departmental store besides the gym, clubhouse, an aerobics, yoga and meditation center. And this project is located in close proximity to the metro rail as well, and the OMR Tambaram MEPZ.
All right. Okay, so 3 options that you have close to the international airport and also in your budget of 80 lakh rupees. Though you said it's for investment, must tell you the Chennai market from an investment point of view has been tepid, 8 to 9%, and maximum if it's a great market, 10 to 11% is what you can expect, and you will have to hold on for some time. Real estate services firm JLL's global CEO expresses his reservations over India's ambitious smart city project. But more importantly, he has some interesting things to say about when can you expect a recovery in India's real estate. Also projects that promise good returns in future in the prime residential locations of Kolkata. We'll be back in just a jiffy.